purchased this featherboard jig. It's got this piece that fits down in the miter slot. You tighten it down, it grips it, and it also tightens down on the featherboard. So you can put this in many places on the table saw. I also purchased this other featherboard that didn't have the clamping jig on it. And I typically clamp that down to the surface of the table saw where I can. And on the bottom side, there's a flathead screw and a slot. And when you clamp down on the screw, it expands the slot, and the slot grips your miter slot. I have a couple pieces of red oak that were once hardwood flooring. I think I'll be able to get 2 blanks out of each of these. Here's the finished product. It slides into the slot and moves freely, and you can adjust the featherboard within a certain range of motion. And when you secure this down, the featherboard is reasonably well secured. For good measure, the washers I use are stainless steel. I scuffed up the washer between the metal, between the wooden runner and the actual featherboard, because the point that actually holds the featherboard is the friction between that washer and those 2 wooden pieces. So I scuffed it up with some sandpaper for good measure. If that didn't work, I was thinking I could probably get a galvanized washer, which would kind of have a bit of a grip to it already. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned, hopefully, a tidbit or two. If you liked it, don't be afraid to like, and feedback, always welcome. Thanks.